Hi, it's Allison
and Jennifer,
and we're AJ & Co. We are so glad you guys are here with us today. We have this cute door sign that we're going to make to welcome summer, and we hope you like it as much as we have making it. So let's get started.
Okay.
All right, so I wanted to explain this door sign. This was actually a table that we bought from Five and Below, not Dollar General, Five and Below. So that it was a table. We took off the hardware because it was from Five and Below and it broke. So it was very nice. At the time it worked for about a month. So we took the hardware off and then we're going to flip it over and we're actually going to turn it into this cute door sign, so you will see that when we are done. So the first thing we had to do is we needed to measure this out, and we wanted to make sure that we had even spacing between it. So we went ahead and did that, and then we marked our lines with pencil after we measured it. And then we used some painter's tape here just to kind of keep our lines. And then we went in with some white chalk paint. I will mention before we did this, I actually did sand down the sides that we're painting with the chalk paint just so the paint would adhere better.
Paint too, if you want a sharp line, you got to come over just ever so slightly over your tape.
That looks good for my taste. If you want it a little bit more saturated, you might want to come in and do 2 coats. This is 1 coat that we already did that has dried. Good thing about this chalk paint, it actually dries pretty quickly. So we'll be able to get into the next part. So I am a terrible bow maker. I'll just be honest with you.
Me too.
So I love what I've seen on Pinterest with these cheater bows. That's basically what they call them. You're basically stacking them. Because I am going to put this on my front door, I wanted to coordinate the colors that we're going to use and the words, and then also with my bow, and then I have this blue. So I did a little bit of the burlap, and I'm going to stack it like so. You can see there. And then my other piece, I went ahead and pre-cut these, because you kind of have to play around with your bow, make sure your links are the way you want it. And I did tag them just to kind of give it a little bit more dimension to it. That's up to you. You can do it straight or you can tag. It's really your preference. And then we're just going to layer it like that. And then you can either tie it with this yellow ribbon, which I thought would be cute, or you could tie it with some jute. It's really, again, your preference, what you prefer. And so I just like this yellow ribbon. Jennifer's going to go ahead and do the letters on here first.
So the board's going to say hello summer. So I've gone with my Cricut and I've cut out these, and I'm going to pull this piece of tape up and I'm going to use the guide from that white to place my letters. And then once I get the word hello on there, then Allison can go ahead and put her greenery on. Good job.
Oh.
That looks great. And you don't have to use tape if you don't mind that your line is, kind of feathered out. You could feather it out a little bit like that too, but some things it just looks so good with that crisp line. There you go.
That's great.
There's your hello, and then you can work on your greenery.
Okay, so we're going to this bottom is still a little tacky, so I'm going to let that keep drying. That's the easiest spot I want to touch up.
I might have hit it with my finger too, I'm sorry.
Just a little bit. That's okay. So now we have our greenery, and this is just some eucalyptus. Do you get this at?
I got that at Walmart.
At Walmart. So
2 little bundles.
So far, just so we're keeping track, the tabletop was actually from Five and Below, and then this greenery is from Walmart. So we are going to just kind of place it there on the corner. I'm going to have a little bit of hanging off. So I'm not used to working with staple guns, so we're praying this works well. This is my first time using this staple gun. Okay.
Try again. There you go. And the staples will be covered by the boat. It's on there.
All right.
Yay! Good job.
So there's our greenery, and then I'm gonna go ahead, and I wanted to mention this. I actually went back and retied my bow a little bit. I didn't like the way that it was stacked. You can do it different ways, but I actually liked the yellow right on top, and it was covering up some of my yellow, so I went back and fixed that. So then we've got our glue gun, and we are just gonna stick our bow right there.
Go for it. Got that glue gun.
Yes. Glue gun, and now a staple gun. I'm gonna need a gun safe soon.
Watch out, we're on. That's right.
Oh, that looks so cute. Love it.
If you feel like it's not quite down, we can go back and put a little more on it. It's like it wants to jump up on you, doesn't it?
It does. We'll just have to see how well it sticks.
Yeah.
So we may
Once
have to
it's
go
dry.
back and do that. So I'm actually going to go ahead. I don't know if I can.
Do you want to go ahead and pull this piece of tape to set your summer down?
Yeah, I think right here it's dry enough. We can probably do
Yeah,
that.
go for it.
I didn't mean to smack you in the face.
That's okay.
I'm getting violent over here.
This craft to make you cranky.
There you go.
There we go. All right. Yay. Success.
So now we've got our Hello Summer on there. So then, in order to make our hanger for our door, we just have this wide jute here, just a small piece of it, and however you want it to hang. So we're going to staple that onto the back. Hopefully it's dry enough that it won't.
Might be. Well, if not, we'll touch it up.
Yeah.
And just don't lay your bow in the paint. Here, let me try this. Like this. And just put it
Just
under
don't
this
want to
half.
get white paint on our
Yeah.
letters that we did there.
Well, you don't want it on your pretty bow.
Okay, so then again, we're going to take our staple gun. If you could hold that piece in
Mm-hmm.
just because I don't want it to move. Alright,
Anyway.
so finished product.
There you go.
That is fantastic.
Yay!
So for $5 5 and below table that was going to be thrown away because it broke, and we can now transform it into this cute little door hanger, and all it took was some greenery, some leftover ribbon that we had, matching up our vinyl. I think that turned out really good.
Yeah. Looks great.
Well, thanks for coming, and look forward to some new projects that we have using those stencils and paint markers and just kind of showing some other options for getting those words on your page.
We're getting ready for summer. We got some 4th of July stuff coming. So we'll see you next time.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.